Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I will be making a cocktail for you today. And today's cocktail is called a Maple Bourbon Martini. Alright, bourbon, maple syrup, lemon juice, a little triple sec, right? But I'm going to just switch it up. You can use whatever maple syrup you want. But I want to try something a little different. I got some smoked maple syrup, some sugar bobs, right? Check below. There's a link to get some off Amazon, right? So let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon of your choice. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of maple syrup. If I can open it up. Just 1 ounce. You can smell that smoke. I should probably made it with regular syrup before, but let's be different. Dare to be different. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And last, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec of your choosing. I'm using some Country. You can use some Grand Marnier or whatever. Just 1/2 ounce. Add some ice. Give this a nice swirl. That maple syrup, smoked maple syrup is awesome. It's good smell to it. They use real wood and real maple syrup, so it ain't no additives like liquid smoke or nothing like that. It's real smoke. Anyway, here we go. A maple bourbon martini. The smoked maple syrup is an excellent piece of this. Again, you can use regular maple syrup, but I advise you to click the link and buy some of that. It's good. It's good in cocktails. But anyway, it's a really good cocktail. Now, is it really a martini? Probably not, but it's in a martini glass, so it makes it a martini, right? Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.